Hey guys, Michael from Cobber vs Glass, and today we're going to be looking at the Android Wear application. Now this app is used to control your Android Wear device in terms of pairing it, and also some changing the watch faces and just in general the customization. So, let's take a look. When you first load up the application, you're going to be granted with this short introductory video on how Android Wear works and how you can actually control it on your Android Wear device. So it gives you a quick overview of how to use the cards and just in general what cards are going to actually appear on your Android Wear watch. In terms of the application, it is very simple. At the top here you can see the watch that you've currently got attached to the Android Wear application. In my case it's the LG G Watch, which is just down the side here. You've got watch faces and also the voice actions that you can do, and you've also got an option here to browse suggested applications that work with Android Wear. In terms of the top, you've got the settings and a 3-dot menu, which gives you options to pair a new wearable, disconnect the G Watch, forget the G Watch, apply some demo cards onto the actual watch itself. So if you want to show this off or anything, or you just want to do some video tutorials, it's a great way to get some cards on there if you don't currently have any notifications. So if you want to get a traffic update or weather or sports, they can be sent directly to the watch without you actually having to do a notification yourself. You can also go back in and play the tutorial video that I just mentioned there a second ago, and then you've also got options for help and feedback and also about. In terms of settings, they are quite simple. You've got block app notifications, so if you don't want to have some notifications that show this is where they are going to be, and you can click on the plus button down the bottom here to actually block certain applications from showing up on your Android Wear device. Now Asphalt 8, the racing game, has a lot of notifications in terms of new races that are available, so if you want to have that blocked, you just click on it and add it to the list, and that won't show up on your Android Wear device at all. You've got always screen on, which you can have on or off. Tilt to wake, and what that enables you to do is when you raise the actual watch up to your face, you can see here that the watch itself will turn on eventually, as you can see just there. So again, that's a great way to actually just get glanceable information without having to tap on the screen or anything. You've then got the options for the watch battery, and here it's going to tell you in terms of the battery that you've got, what's left, what's been using the most amount of power. You can see here I've only just taken mine off the charge, so it is still showing at 100%. And again, it's saying 19 minutes since the last full charge, so that's why I took it off of the actual charger. You've then got the watch storage. Now the LG G Watch has 4 GB of storage built in. About a gig of that is taken up with the actual Android Wear software, but you can see here that you've got certain applications like Keep, Play Music, the Google Maps, Fit and Clock that also take up space, as well as any clock faces as well. You've also then got card previews, which you can have turned on or off. So basically when you do get a notification come through on your Android Wear device, you can have that show up, or you need to actually scroll up from the watch face to access the notification. You can also mute the connected phone, so you can see here it says mute interruptions on the phone while it's connected to your watch, and what this allows you to do is not get multiple notifications. Obviously any notification you get on your Android device will get onto your Android Wear device, so again it's maybe just a quicker way of actually managing your notifications and not having to worry about them in more than one place. You can also see that you've got show calendar event cards and also resync the applications that you've got. So that's maybe in terms of watch faces and also certain applications that work with Android Wear. You've got an option to resync all the data across from your device onto the watch. The next thing we've got in the application is the actual watch faces themselves. Now in this menu here you're going to have the watch faces that come standard with your Android Wear device, which aren't necessarily all the same. Android has kind of done the same thing that it does with phones with its wearable platform. Now what I mean by that is certain watch faces will be available on certain Android Wear devices, but not available on others. So you can see here that there's some here that are specific to the G Watch that you won't find on something like the Moto X or a smartwatch by Samsung. Now all you need to do is just tap on the watch face that you need, and it will automatically get sent to the Android Wear devices you can see there in the background. Again, I can click on another one and it's automatically going to sync over. So this is a great way to change your watch faces on the fly. You can also do it on the Android Wear watch itself, and all you need to do for that is just tap and hold on the screen and it will bring up the exact same menu that you just saw a second ago, where you can change the watch faces, which is sometimes a little bit intermittent, but as you can see there, it now gives me the option to change the watch face, but I personally just like doing it on the actual application itself. Now some third-party watch faces that you download, so up here I've got Bold Analog and Bold Digital, do actually have some customization options. So again, if I just put this one on the watch and go into it, you can see that I can change the accent colours on the actual watch face itself, and again they get updated in real time. So again, it's a great way to customise your watch and just in general have something maybe slightly different to what someone else has currently got. But to be honest guys, in terms of the app, that is pretty much it. Now I am still working on my full review of the LG G Watch, so I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot more coverage of the watch itself and also Android Wear on the watch as opposed to the application on the device. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys have got anything that you want me to cover in the LG G Watch review, then be sure to leave those in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to see more great content from Copper vs Glass. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.